Oh man, how you doing?
I'm good.
Good. All right. Any issues this week?
He seems to be fine. I had a real bad cold,
Okay.
so I guess I want to make sure things look okay for him. So his immune system isn't.
Buddy.
Lennox is 5.5 months old. He's been coming to see me since he was 7 days old. He comes in for optimal nerve and spinal health. His mom got adjusted regularly while she was pregnant, and she still gets adjusted now. She knew that if Lennox was going to grow up to be as healthy and happy as possible, it was important that his spine and nervous system function properly. It's very common for babies to get fussy during their adjustment. There are many reasons why babies get fussy. They're nervous around new people, they can't see their mommy, they're nervous at a new place, they're cold, and many other things. Very few of which are because they're in pain at all. When we see this occurring, we evaluate. Can we work through it, or do we need to switch things up? This is very different with each baby. We work to everyone's comfort level.
It'll be what makes us human. To make a difference, gotta do better than this, 'cause I'm only just one. I'm human, you're human, we are human. I'm human, you're human, we are human. The love, the kindness, little light in this darkness. It'll be what makes us different. We are human. We are human. All we need is a little love, little kindness. We are human. It'll be what makes the difference. It'll be what makes us human.
Good. Yay! Good job, buddy. And I'm gonna let Mommy put you all back together like she always does. Good